Hey everyone, hello, how is everybody doing? And I'm sure you're adapting to the new normal. Well, today's vlog is an interesting story from the ancient times. It's a story about Acharya Chanakya, the most intelligent man that ever lived. So, this is a story about Acharya visiting his students in the marketplace. They were about to have some candid conversation or discussion. As he was approaching his students, he failed to realize there was a thorny shrub growing right next to the road, and one of its thorns picked into his foot. So his foot started bleeding. He calmly removed the thorn and threw it away. But what he did next was the biggest surprise. He went to the nearest matha stall, that's a lassi stall, a sweet cold matha. He bought in a glass of matha, and instead of drinking it to relax his wound, he poured the entire matha glass on the thorny shrub. Students were absolutely surprised by this response. They quickly approached him and they asked him, Chanakya, you need to heal your legs. They are bleeding. And we didn't quite understand, why did you buy the matha and threw it on this thorny shrub? So Chanakya smiled and calmly answered, when the thorn pricked me, it was a situation, it was a problem. But how I reacted, how I responded to the problem or the situation was something to learn from. To help his students understand it better, he elaborated, saying, I bought the matha glass and poured it over the thorny shrub because it was an invitation to all the ants to destroy the thorny shrub from its root. So, what I'm doing is, I'm not just dealing with the problem, but I'm solving it right from the root. I'm destroying its root so that I don't face it again. What a beautiful insight. So, similarly, in our regular life, whether you're doing a job or a business, we all face a lot of problems. The general response is we just deal with it. But what is more important is that we destroy our problems right from the root by reaching to its root and understanding its cause, so that we avoid its repetition, so that we don't invest our time and energy on facing them again and again. Uproot your challenges, destroy them from your root. So, with this thought, with this lesson, I hope our lives become more easy and we can, of course, implement this ancient wisdom in our daily routine. Thank you so much for being lovely listeners. Until next time.